Welcome to the Late Night Show. Woo-hoo! Thank you very much. Thank you.
We love you. It's another wonderful day.
You know how we roll, man. How not day now? Yeah.
Cheers. Hola. You know what to do.
All right. So how everybody day? How your day been? Today is very sunny.
Very sunny.
Very sunny. Yes. A blessed the fuel they affect the sun too.
Even the weekend was quite, you know.
Yeah.
Raining weekend.
Very cool weekend.
Very cool was on point.
The weekend cool, but today come hot.
Come hot. Why?
Come hot your own. But any which way, how on a holiday? For those of now sitting down for us yesterday, you know, not everybody really they experience holiday.
I can't think.
Some people, every day na holiday for them. You cannot work. You wake up on Monday, it's the same thing on public holiday. Every other day you resemble. You say, man, this is a happy holiday. Holiday. Oh, holiday day today.
Holiday day.
Every day is holiday for me.
You know? Today.
So, but don't worry. As many as you are who are hoping and depending on God for a job to come, receive your job right now. Yeah. Wherever you take it now, take it now. Hold your TV. Hold your TV now. Receive it now. Receive it now. Some people are laziness with their problem.
Laziness.
They're all lazy. Not just opportunity. They're all lazy. They're like no passion for anything.
They got the press that thing like this.
They got this. I want job. If I slap. Just reformat your Praga. Your head will just shift your balance. Only you're the form active. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name as usual, Ogbon's baby. Thank you.
Straight up.
I love you. I love you. So, that's how we roll.
That's how we roll.
Just how we roll.
Calm down.
Calm. On the wheels of steel, DJ Easy Beat.
Oh shit.
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
Yeah, I like this pose. I like this. I like the pose.
Seriously, you go like.
You just do it like beats we never done. You just be like Spoil Takamu.
And now you can't go like.
I like her. Maybe all these other days where they form the show muscle. We'll come be like upcoming because waiting.
Oh shit.
All right, so when I sit back, relax, the show don't start. All right, so no go anywhere. We'll get some kind correct guys in the building for today. Just to enter inside the show, add some kind spice, join the whole thing, and 2 correct guys then from that year.
Never.
Look at you, get some kind of raw gist there.
They talk all of that.
They talk anyhow. All these small boys down here.
You know the censor.
Oh no, then they won't fear again. Say no, they call anything anyhow. But any which way, the industry is improving. Anyhow it be with the mature for the whole thing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the cocoa of the day. If I tell them the cocoa, I say make I yarn them the cocoa. Coco, make like 10 years you Coco now. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Coco number 1.
Bang
Yeah, father, great. Alright, so this one now. Easy bit. Which year you this version?
Which
No, they do this rubbish.
You don't do. Now my question.
No, but wait a minute. I think it be that.
I was 33 or thereabouts.
You be like, how old?
You surprised?
33.
Yeah.
Eh.
When I did 33, so yeah, not there.
Okay. So that was last year because you're 34 now.
No, 35. Why you did? Come on.
Anyway, some people don't feel remember again. They don't get too many experiences, so then they feel remember the very first one. Not everybody feel remember.
Okay.
Some people say, Nkechi, I've been Ngozi, I've been Julie, I've been They feel okay like for the whole road. They feel okay like 4 Julie.
4 Julie.
And Julie 1.
Julie 2.
Or Julie 7.
Or Julie half.
But anyway, for women's side now, so now for Cambodia it happened, and people stupid for this word, sha. No joke. They just grabbed one woman recently for one school. The woman own work now be say she dey force young girls them to go sell their virginity. I said they never.
I love you.
They never love you before. Say you never even shop any. So you just fresh, you know. Fresh
follow
from
come,
the oven.
fresh, yeah?
Follow come, tear rubber, nothing. They all say, come. For $1,500, they all carry go on play. Just shop all the rice, tear nylon, just every. Money. Just then tomorrow morning, they all carry $1,500 give you. And the girls, because they be some young to me, they don't be small girls again, no. Because their age now 17 to 23 years old. You be small picking again.
They don't still both.
So they arrest the woman now because they don't grab the woman. But to me, they're supposed to hold the girls there. Because 17 to 23, you don't mature now.
First of all, maybe not. They don't use money to entice them now. You don't catch them. They don't brainwashing. Not be
brainwash how? That means everybody now be brainwashed. To some people, not business.
For first to decide to just give up her virginity to collect money, you gonna say
but don't brainwash her now. It says she be like 12 years now. I go yeah. It says she be like 13, 14 years. I go yeah. 17 to 23. Is it bit? You know how many 17 to 23 we don't go finish? What do you worry? Some don't start family now. Don't raise like 5 children. That's true. That's what are we saying? They're supposed to arrest the woman, which is okay. They don't arrest the woman. But the girl said they're supposed to arrest the joint for also selling your pofto. You understand? When you go enter market, you say, come and buy your $15. Come and buy your...
Take away price.
We will reduce price for you. 50% discount. No. Now very rubbish thing. But now for Cambodia, it happened. And right now, the police don't hold the woman for work. They promise the girls $1,500 to $2,500. But after everything, they all give the girls like $200. So even cheating can't enter the whole thing. Meanwhile, one bros.
One bros just spread.
Make una give them the money. I don't they go out, so these girls, no, they carry they try.
No, thank you.
Finished. But anyway, badness and our people children. And a very, very bad thing. I think God beg all of us. Even though the woman say the hustle is real. But I beg. Not gonna use hand, go to choke hand for bad things. Alright? Alright, so Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Alright, this one I want Nigerian woman though. First and foremost, advice.
Okay.
I'm not supposed to advise people the way they inside marriage because me never marry. Me no come like say you will never marry. Why they advise people the way they don't marry?
What do you sabi?
You know, what you sabi? What do you know? But lock up, oh. Some people see the way single, we don't sabi.
Never how long ago.
Some people just single, but they know. They know every. No joke. Now, this woman now side chick she be to one guy. But those of now know side chick be. I'm the girl fine though. Yeah? Now fine girl though.
Fine girl.
The girl go on top Facebook now. Come go the holla, just the fun provoking on top the wife of the guy which they sleep with.
Oh, the guy don't marry.
The guy don't marry now. But now she come dey vex. Say, come! You even want to kill me, oh! You just want to kill me! Afternoon, night, where? Midnight, morning again, wait it, now government work. What your husband for? Wait it, they give us this thing well now, make it all reduce for my side. So she go Facebook, write to the wife, say, Madam, I beg, see, all the gist dey for the hair, make her read them out. What she write for? Say, you are pathetic and a failed excuse of a wife. He talked to the wife now.
Wow.
Otherwise, your husband would be chasing after me. I would have given him some sex tips I would have given you some sex tips from me so that your husband wouldn't kill me with his frustrated and crooked But hey, I need money. Mind you, having a baby for him isn't a guarantee that he is yours to keep. Feeling accomplished. So right now, she said, if not be say, the man they give me money, I suppose don't stop all this rubbish because waiting, you won't kill me. Say, but madam, I beg. I think God beg you.
He said, level.
You said, learn this thing. If you go need to come on, no they tie that wrapper with the tie. Hold chandelier. Do different thing. Go watch Chinese film. Do like this. Do like that. Do like this.
Give him.
Do like this. If uncle want extracurricular activities,
give him.
Or give him. Just learn something new. All right? Say, but for me right now, I don't tire. But I just the money they keep me.
Not the money.
All right? So I tell God, beg our people that when they watch right now, if you know say this one teach you one kind of sense or the other, learn from people mistake somehow. But the particular side chick get safe. You safe auntie. If you just go to the woman house or do meeting with her, say,
don't guess not saying though.
Hey, but why you go social media go they talk some kind of things?
Now we are sense rich.
Now we are sense rich. Not be lie. But at least if you all call the girl, you know, call the woman, come one corner, say, Madam, no verse, I want to tell you one reading. Now me the help Oga. when
I help you help Oga.
I help you help Oga. You understand? Now me be the agent in between the two transactions. So, your husband, he too get energy. And that energy on top me alone, I could just die. So just share around. But do your own side well. Make me say they do my, you know.
Don't leave the work for me.
Don't leave all the work for me. I mean one key. I'm a young girl, I still get future. Don't come use all the. Okay, so maybe we just learn from the whole thing. Very bad gist. Finally, Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Chris Brown, no. Different kind of fans now they this life, oh. Especially those Oyibo fans them. Their own fans for that side, they're going to hail you today. Yeah. Tomorrow they all for your hand.
Change that for you.
Hey, Chris Brown, Chris Brown. And that's what they do for you. They hail you, hey, the bunch, this band. Next thing they say, the bunch. Gary. Nigerians say. They don't just even they said person.
They not get level again.
The same people now, they don't shout up and down now. The bunch, emergency. That's what they do. Like this. So if you go and follow some people mouth, only your jam rock. Only your jam rock. Chris Brown now, he do concerts. Carry that crowd, they full everywhere. In all fans come watch him, now the same fans now won't kill him. One of the fans now come talk say, okay, he sending cap, make Chris Brown autograph the cap. As the cap reach where Chris Brown did, now if like say one thing can't distract Chris Brown, no, I don't know what happen, no. Carry cap. Waka. Now the guy come out. He say, Chris Brown don't take cap. They don't move the cap, oh. They don't move the cap. Say cap wey in Papa give up. Now inheritance. Now he said, they sue him. And they sue Chris Brown. Now we sue him. They don't sue Chris Brown, no. Eh?
What cap we don't never see.
You know what they pay me now? I feel like I did say I be Chris Brown. I'm my own fan. When they hear me.
They're carrying cap.
Because I carrying cap. So I'm moving cap. Different fans who want to kill Chris Brown since. I'm called that one. That the guy say, he says he try getting cap back, but Chris Brown men there. Just the guy they men down, put up for corner saying, I know say for that side, if you push person small like this, if you they roll for ground, hey, he don't kill me, he don't kill me. God. Yeah. But anyway, he said that in they sue them for wait, for a cap with their teeth, and secondly they assault him. By pushing him away and not allowing him to
not waiting go on top.
Before there's an assault now. Some people they make their living off that, you know. They all find trouble. They all carry camera and go your front. Hey, just use vest. Pow! He don't kill me. You don't look your phone. I said, cry. You know send them, you know send the money. So, but anyway, ladies and gentlemen, the cocoa of the day for today be that, and all our Nigerian celebrities then. Make everybody just use style, I beg, just you know, in your own way, they hold yourself. Because anger, I know you answered they spoil many things. You get one video I see recently of the video. If you see slap, we give this slap we give person. So I maybe just take a small.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.